Good morning and welcome to AM News, International News, an Innova Technology Media blend technology expertise and implement innovative information, articles, interviews, reviews. Brings you all the latest news from the most of the topics from Techno World to learn the latest technologies, helping career and new awesome features to lead your business. Has a team of to update you in all what is around technology. Home news. As The Guardian and Global Witness revealed that almost 4 environmental defenders were murdered every week in 2017. In Colombia, Machado was murdered in Buenaventura. Machado played a vital role in organizing a strike that would be historic for the people who mired in the legacies of slavery, poverty, and racism. He mobilized more than 150,000 people. Russian call for joint inquiry on Salisbury attack in Paris. Britain has called Russia's demand for a joint investigation into the Salisbury poisoning Paris and dismissed it as a diversionary tactic. Britain's delegation to the Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons. This is Angelica Maria Leiva reporting from Cajica.